Hello, everybody. Hello. Welcome to Visual Communication, the Medium. My name is Adam Brzezinski. It's a pleasure to see each and every one of you. Welcome to week 3. Happy Thanksgiving. Hope everybody's ready for that wonderful food that's coming up this week. So we do have lecture this week at Tuesday, same time as always, 7 p.m. Eastern, 6 p.m. Central. And we're finishing our trek into perceptual communication and talking about semiotics. And that's what we're really going to be focusing on. So I'll take a look at your grades as best as I can this week. Hopefully, have them by Friday. It's going to be family a lot, so let me know if you run into any issues or anything. That way we can plan it out. Also, if you want to resubmit any assignments or anything, please let me know. That way, you get an updated or a second version of it. That would be great. But let's get into it. So we're going to finish off this week of perception and get into semiotics. So we talked a lot about perceptual communication as a whole last week, where we were focusing on cultural familiar elements, cognitive memories, and all different elements that trigger perceptual responses. This week, we're going to talk about how signs and icons really affect displays and understanding human nature and how people communicate with those and perceive these signs and icons and symbols. And that's what we're going to focus on. And semiotics, or just semiology as a study of signs or symbols and how they're interpreted, and how we decipher our world through those thoughts and actions are really governed specifically by those messages rooted in cultural and contextual understandings. And that's why it was important to understand those cultural familiar elements before getting into semiotics as a whole. We learn these signs from a young age, and this understanding and the reactions we have to such signs become unconscious, and that's what really matters over time. Now, this week for class, we're going to focus on semiotics and theory from the beginning. We're also going to talk about how symbols and icons are utilized, the importance of signs and their development over time, and also understanding logos and the types of logos and how they're built over time as well. And that's what we're going to be realized. So we do have a discussion this week on Tuesday. Please make sure you have your initial post due on Tuesday, reply post on Saturday. And then you also have your live lecture due on Sunday, along with your written assignment. We'll go over your written assignment and discussions on Tuesday, but that's all I got. So be safe, have fun, enjoy, my friends. Take it easy. I'll see everybody for lecture on Tuesday. I hope to see everybody there. That way we have some really good discussions. It's starting to get real interesting with those, so that'll be cool. But that's all I got. So enjoy, be safe, have fun, have a great holiday, and hope to see everybody for lecture. Enjoy.